Another nice day in Michigan. Got Taylor over with the vet. As you can see, we got the engine bay ripped apart a little bit. First off, what we're doing is installing a flex fuel sensor on the C7. This kit's from Skidmark Garage. I'll link it in the description. So you pop up this red clip, and then you push in right here. We're gonna come around. Now we're gonna disconnect this fuel line.
Do I just pull? Do I wiggle? Do I spin? Do I yank? Oh my. Oh, that's not bad.
Alright, so there's the fuel line off.
Smells like 93, baby. Not anymore.
Now we're gonna put this little adapter piece that they give you
Clipped on.
Just clips in.
And you pull this off. Same thing here. Clips in. This is actually a decent place to tuck it because it just pops off.
I don't think the hood really smashed that.
No. Get it back on where I can see a little better.
Underneath the weather stripping hides it away. Alright, so to get this white wire to the PCM, you have to come up in here, loosen these 3 T15 screws, and then turn your wheel all the way to the right and start undoing your fender liner to access the PCM. There's also one more T15 bolt right there that you gotta undo. Taylor has dismantled this inner fender well, and the silver thing is the PCM. Note to self, you don't have to...
Oh, that did not sound good. That's gonna stay down for now. When you get the PCM down and out of the way, there's 3 harness clips. This first one has a blue backing, the middle one has a black backing, and the third and last one has a gray backing. You're gonna want to remove clip X1, which has the blue backing, you can see right there. And once you remove the clip, you'll find pin 38. Clip-in noises.
There you go.
Now what? Oh, right there. There we go. Okay, can you hold that? Oh, joy.
As you can see, Taylor popped off
There's that one right there.
blue little cover. And now we're just using a picture from one of our buddies to locate which pin is which. Which one is it?
Right there. I'm pointing to it. It's right above my finger. Yeah.
So now you can see this clip pretty good. So where do you think it's gotta go?
Right there. Hello. Oh. Oh. Oh, we're starting to see her, buddy. It's pin 38. There's a row of 5 pins, 1 gap, and then 2, another 2 pins, and then a triple gap. You're gonna be inserting it in between a white and blue wire. There she's in. She is in. Now we gotta bolt this.
Taylor plugged in that blue little cover, and now he's gonna try to plug it in up here.
That ain't gonna work, Chief. Now you're better off loosening it. Can you see? Oh wait.
Yep, there you go. So now Taylor reran the white wire through the fender.
Underneath. That was an interesting noise.
It's right there.
What is it?
By your thumb. It's just a little clip right there.
Sounded like it fell fucking 10 feet.
Probably don't need that.
It's a fender clip. I don't know where it goes.
Taylor's gonna try to get his car back together real quick. I'm just gonna go over everything we did for this flex fuel sensor. So initially this fuel line was hooked up to here. You use this tool that you can buy off their website. You use this adapter piece that plugs into the sensor. You get this side of the fuel line plugs into the sensor, and then the stock fuel line plugs into the other side. You take this extra wire you have, one side plugs into a coil pack, and the other side plugs into the wiring harness. Then this wire we ran underneath the weather stripping all the way over to plug into the PCM down there. And for that, you plug it into pin 38 on the very first set of plugs closest to the front of the car. Underneath it has the blue packing on it. That's pretty much it. We did a little too much fender wise taking it apart. You could really just undo the bolts underneath and the fender liner and everything should be good. It's pretty self-explanatory when you kind of just look around. No instructions with the kit, but hopefully this video will help some people if they're struggling installing this kit. Actually, once you understand everything, it is super easy to install. So right now we're just putting everything back together, and once we get it started up, that'll tell us we did everything right.
Did I do anything else before I did this? I mean, after.
Toke's jack, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah, that's good right there. You're chilling. What's going on, guys? So you just probably watched the drag racing clips. Hope you enjoyed that. I'm throwing this in this end of the video because it's something that you guys might want to see. Here's Taylor with the Vette. Also got Nathan out here, and we also got this big trailer. So I'm assuming you can understand what's going on. We all went out for a nice little dinner, and on our way back, Taylor's car kind of didn't want to work anymore. So here she lies perfectly at U-Haul. So I mean, we could have just left it here, and they could have loaded on a trailer for him. But sounds like it's getting a little too much fuel. So we're thinking it's something with his E85 sensor. He's also not tuned, and
I'm tuned.
Oh, you are tuned?
Yeah.
Are you?
How am I gonna run the 85 without being tuned?
Take it back.
You bought?
All right. Well.
Cut that out.
All right. Well, something's wrong with Buddy's E85 sensor, and I mean he also went down to Mexico for a little bit. So.
A little ripski.
But. So it's about 12 o'clock. We're gonna load her in the trailer so you can get her home at least. But currently it's like 12. So.
Someone wants C7 parts, hit me up. Hard out.
Sounds like it has a nasty camera now,
I'm
though.
gonna line it up with the trailer and then we can try to start it to get it in there. I know!
Wow, this moves so easy.
And we got the wheel fully tuned.
Y'all don't need me. Oh shit, I was helping a lot.
I'm not pushing that hard, we gotta run it up to the trailer now and then back it up.
This would be fun if it's like actually like a race car and we were going somewhere, but you know.
Yeah, funny.
Just because it's broke. This is Taylor's nice little setup here. It's his new trailer with the Vette. Fancy.
Please start.
Just installed the cam. Here's the first startup.
That's not good. If it starts smoking, say something.
That'll be interesting. All right, do it.
I'll blow it out.
here, it would not start at all. Yeah, it just sounds like it's gonna stall.
What are you doing? Strapping it down. You don't need to.
I just,
It's already broke.
yeah.
Yeah, let's fuck up the bodywork.
Hey, you do barrel rolls? What does that think he's doing?
Drag racing.
Drag car coming soon.
If I sold this thing, I could get like 1,000 horsepower C5. And then just
Do it.
take it to the strip. But this is so nice.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Don't watch.
All right, that's it. Peace, guys. Thanks for watching. Not a Camaro, but still doing a drive-by. So Taylor has this little fuel line.
Motherfucker.
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 Should we plan for this?
What are we planning for?
What are we doing?
I don't know.
These fucking hoods, man.
Brandon, is it bad if I leave it like this?
This trailer's nice little setup here. I say trailers.
Yeah.
What's that can down there, boss?
That's her job.
Oh, okay, good.
You still got fuel? That's not. Okay. Let's see you guys back at the house.